Hi, I'm Jack with UAS, and today I'm showing you how to install the 2020 center headlight on a 2015 to 19 Polaris slingshot. Okay, so this is an updated look, and as you can see, the hood latch goes now underneath, and this is what it looks like. So when you start with a slingshot, it's easier to remove the hood and the bar that goes across the center there. Once you remove that, then you have a wide open area like this. Remove the center headlight, which is just these 4 bolts and a couple plugs, and then you are left with this. So you keep these screws because you'll be reusing these bolts, and then all of this hardware we are going to reuse. Now you see how it's mounted on the top, and over there on the 2020 conversion, the UAS 2020 conversion, it will go on the bottom. So the only thing you're gonna have to trim or get a new one of is the lower grill. Because you are relocating this latch to down here, it needs a 2" by 2" hole at the top of it to allow access. You can purchase a 2020 grill, or many manufacturers are starting to make them. So let's go ahead and show you how to do it. So on the bracket, when you mount it, this is the bracket you'll receive as a 2-piece. You bolt this together. Your headlight, the bottom of it will sit here, and then we would provide mounting bolts that will give you complete adjustment. These 4 also is slotted, so you can adjust it up and down if you need to, but you know, these things generally fit very easy. And then on the bottom here, you see the mounts for the center hood release. Now will be mounted from underneath, and then the cables will come from above, come down under and there. The reason we keep this separate is so it's easier to do this, put it together, and then bolt it on here after you bolt it onto the vehicle. So as you can see, we reuse the factory bolts. It's a complete 100% bolt-on system. You reuse the factory bolts. As you can see, it's coming from here. Here's the hood release from underneath. We have trimmed 2 inches down on an older grill. And then you put the headlight in. It floats on that little spot. You can see where we routed the 2 cables. Okay? And then this system here is completely adjustable. So you can move your headlight, tilt it forward, backward, everything else. So there it is. All right, so now we're gonna show you how to connect this. Plug and play. You actually have this plug already on your Polaris slingshot. We are on the passenger side. So this is the plug. It has the 2 yellow, the center black. It's a 3-way plug. So if you want to test it to make sure it works, you can plug your headlight in ahead of time. So you take this and you go ahead and razor carefully the wire loom, and you start pulling out that wire. It does separate completely out like this. So the further you go, the better and easier, and then you just want to route it along here and then plug it in. So as you can see, he's taking this and going as far as he can. He's going to keep going. He's basically opening up the wire loom and then use electrical tape or something to put it back together. And that plugs right into this light, and then it works. We'll be releasing a video a little bit later on how to install our upper DRL housings, lower DRL housings, which are available. Also, to give you the complete look, available with factory lights, DRLs, which are just white. We also have the UAS, which are amber to white switchback. We also have chasing, which gives you that circling chasing or different patterns. RGB, RGBW. There are so many options with the UAS. Then you get the complete look. We can go over here and show you one that's already complete. And there it is. This is the UAS lower filler. With the upper filler, this does not have a hood. It's actually just a skeleton. So it looks slightly different than it will on yours. But as you can see, the center headlight. There. The kit also comes with a new nose cone that allows for the headlight to fit flawlessly. So there it is. I believe this one has the white amber switchback. I'll go ahead and turn them on just so you can see the various options. There's the headlight, white amber. You have high beam, low beam. Right now that's on low beam. And there's a white to amber switchback. We now offer a plug and play kit for that. So we have the wiring where you literally just plug it in. But it definitely changes the entire look of the slingshot. So let's walk back over here and let's see the progress that's been made. And there it is. So the plug is now plugged into here. It's routed through here. As you can see where the cables, they go through there and into here. So, all right, again, Jacket UAS. You can look us up on Instagram at Underground Auto or Universal Audio Solutions. Subscribe to our YouTube channel because we'll be posting a lot of cool new things. Our YouTube channel is Underground AV. Thank you very much for your time.